This is the Smith & Wesson SWFRS First Response Liner Lock Folding Knife. With the demands faced by first responders in mind, the SWFRS is designed to meet the challenges of emergency situations, wielding a variety of cutting surfaces in a versatile EDC folding knife. High-carbon 7CR17 Mo-V stainless steel forms the backbone of the 8.4 centimeter drop point blade, honed to a razor-sharp edge. The strong tip provides plenty of piercing power, and the partially serrated edge chews through resistant materials. Use the thumb plate to deploy the blade with either hand. A steel liner lock prevents accidental closure. The contoured stainless steel handle of the SWFRS is inlaid with textured G10 inserts. Underside index finger jimping enhances blade control, and the thumb plate on the spine provides leverage for increased cutting power. Push the liner lock to the side and rotate the blade to close. Steel liners protect the corrosion-resistant blade. A strap cutter, together with a glass breaker, are integrated into the handle, extending the tool's capacity to respond to emergencies. Slide the first response knife into a pocket or pouch, or clip to gear with a sturdy clip. As boldly handsome as it is practical, the SWFRS is a quality cutting tool designed for professionals.
Get up close with the NITECORE TUP in today's video. This revolutionary mini rechargeable flashlight packs an enormously powerful 1000 lumen beam into an ultra-compact body you can easily carry in a pocket or on a keychain. The TUP is NITECORE's follow-up to the Tip and Teeny keychain flashlights, which were already plenty bright at 360 and 380 lumens respectively. Now, the TUP pushes the output to 1000 lumens. That's the same as many full-size flashlights. Powering the TUP is a Cree XPL HD V6 LED set into a very shallow reflector with a tear optic lens. The result is a beautifully smooth beam that's excellent for up-close and mid-range use. Weighing just under 2 ounces and measuring 2.76 inches long, the TUP is ready to go wherever your travels take you. Use the included keyring attachment or sturdy built-in pocket clip to secure the TUP in pockets, bags, or even on the brim of your hat. The TUP features a brightly lit OLED display that reports the current output, operating mode, and remaining runtime, and other crucial information so you'll always know what's going on with your flashlight. The TUP is controlled by the dual button interface below the OLED display. Press the power button to turn the TUP on or off, and press the mode button to cycle through ultra-low, mid, and high outputs. At any time with the TUP on or off, press and hold the mode button to access turbo mode at 1000 lumens. Release the button to return to the previous brightness. The TUP also memorizes the previously used brightness and will return to it the next time you turn the flashlight on. This makes it easy to get to your favorite brightness every time. When using the TUP, there are 2 operating modes you can select which will control how the light functions. Press and hold both buttons to switch between daily and demo modes. When using demo mode, the TUP will automatically shut off after 30 seconds. This is a great way to save on battery if you only plan to use TUP for quick tasks. In daily mode, the TUP will stay on until the light is turned off or the battery runs out. In order to help prevent the TUP from accidentally turning on during travel, the TUP has 2 lockout modes. Lockout mode will disable the power button but will still allow access to turbo when you press and hold the mode button. Lockout 2 will disable all buttons. To enter lockout mode 1, when the light is on, press and hold the power button until the lockout 1 icon is displayed. Continue holding the power button from here to enter lockout 2. When you want to take the TUP out of either lockout mode, first tap the power button and the OLED display will report the current lockout mode. Immediately press and hold the power button again and a progress bar will display as the TUP unlocks. The TUP is powered by an internal 1200 mAh lithium-ion battery that enables up to 70 hours of runtime on a single charge. With a micro USB charging port built into the side of the body, keeping the TUP charged is as simple as connecting the flashlight to any available USB power source. While charging, an indicator light under the control buttons will slowly flash, and the display screen will report the charging status. Upon completion, the indicator lights will glow steady and the display will show a full battery. And yes, the TUP can still be used while charging. Out of the box, the TUP includes the flashlight, metal key clasp, instructions, and warranty card.